Are you applying for different job opportunities but getting no response? Is your resume not getting selected? I know this is happening to a lot of freshers and even experienced professionals. But do you know why this is the case? It's because your resume is missing one crucial element, that is project. But don't worry, for every Salesforce problem, Salesforce Hulk is here with the solution. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 key projects that can help you get selected in the Salesforce developer interview. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what Salesforce projects actually are and why they are super important. Salesforce projects are basically practical applications or solutions you build using Salesforce tools and technologies. These can be anything from simple apps with custom objects and workflows to more complex stuff involving Apex, Visualforce, or Lightning Web Components. Now you might be wondering, why do these projects matter so much? Well, here's the deal. Projects show potential employers that you have got hands-on experience. They prove that you can take what you have learned and actually use it to solve real-world problems. Projects also show off your problem-solving skills, and trust me, employers love seeing that you can identify issues and come up with the effective solutions. Plus, having a solid portfolio of projects really makes your resume stand out. It's like having proof of what you are capable of. And let's be real. Working on projects builds your confidence. The more you build, the more you understand how Salesforce works. And that's going to make you feel a lot more prepared for the job interviews and real-life work scenarios. So how many projects should you have on your resume? If you are a fresher or just starting out, aim for at least 2 to 3 solid projects. Make sure they cover different aspects of Salesforce to show a broader understanding of the Salesforce platform. For those of you with more experience, having 3 to 5 projects is ideal. Choose ones that showcase a range of skills and complexities like advanced features or large-scale implementations. Now let's discuss the 5 key projects that will make your resume stand out. The first project you can build is a real estate management system that focuses on selling houses, offices, apartments, and rooms. This project will involve creating flow-based updates to notify current clients about new properties, which is crucial for maintaining client engagement. Additionally, you will design a customized user interface using Lightning Web Components to display properties, their owners, and potential clients all in one view. This ensures that users have an intuitive experience when browsing property listings. You will also create reports to view the monthly and annual profits for properties at various locations, providing valuable insights for stakeholders. Next up is a project for a law firm that contracts out lawyers to different clients for a range of legal matters. In this project, you will integrate Stripe for generating payment links for each hearing, make the payment process seamless for clients. Additionally, you will use Twilio to send automated SMS with payments link, make automated calls, and store call recordings in Salesforce. This automation ensures that the firm can manage its communication effectively while maintaining a professional client experience. Then there is the Institute Management Application project, which includes library management, fee management, faculty management, and student management. You will set up a security based on different profiles such as librarian who needs access to book data and can request student data, or an account manager who has access to all the student fees and transaction data. Automated reminders will be sent to students promoted to new classes, ensuring they are always informed. Integration with Zoom will facilitate live classes and attendance management, making the learning experience seamless for both faculty and students. The fourth project is a healthcare management system. Imagine creating a comprehensive system for a medical facility that manages patient data such as medical history, prescriptions, treatment plans, appointments, billings, and insurance claims. You can automate tasks like scheduling patient appointments and sending payment receipts, implement role-based access control to protect data privacy, and ensure compliance with regulations like HIPAA. Additionally, integrating with third-party health monitoring devices and telehealth platforms will bring this system to the next level, providing excellent patient care. Lastly, we have the e-commerce management system. This project is for managing product catalogs, orders, customer services, and marketing for an online retail business. It will include features like product catalog management, automated order processing, customer service case management, marketing automation, shipping and inventory integration, custom UI, and secure payment handling with PCI BSS compliance. Imagine creating a system that makes running an e-commerce business smooth and efficient, enhancing both operational efficiency, and customer satisfaction. So there you have it. These 5 key projects can significantly boost your chances for landing your dream Salesforce developer job, as these Salesforce projects not only enhance your resume but also give you the practical skills to tackle real-world challenges. Now it's your turn to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on latest tips and tutorials. Also drop a comment below and let us know which project you are excited to work on, or if you want us to create a dedicated playlist where we will guide you through building these projects and even more awesome Salesforce projects. Let's aim for 500 likes on this video and 50 plus comments. If we hit that target, we will come up with a complete series just for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.